Hello guys, today we will learn nature of roots. So it is very useful topic in school, colleges and university. So basically first we discuss the cases and discriminant. As we know, discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So here is the case. First case, when discriminant greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. When discriminant is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. And last case is when discriminant is less than 0, then roots are imaginary number. So here in when greater than 0, then there are two types, rational and irrational. So as we know, rational is p by q form and irrational is not in p by q form. So when roots are greater than 0 and it is perfect square, when it is a perfect square, then for example 9, 16, 25 etc., then it is a rational number. And if not perfect square, then it is irrational number. So let's do it couple of example. So example time, let's say x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is first example. So here a is 1, b is minus 1 and c is minus 2. So by discriminant formula, d is equal to b square, which is minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by a 1 multiplied by c minus 2. So it become 1 plus 8, which is 9. So this is first type. It is real, roots are real and unequal. So and this is 9, this is perfect square. So roots are real and unequal and rational also, because it is perfect square. So let's do it. Second example, which is, let's suppose x square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 5. So as we know, d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So d is equal to b square, which is 4 square minus 4, a which is 1 and c which is 5. So it is 16 minus 5 fours are 20. So this is minus 4, which is less than 0. So here, as we know that when discriminant is less than 0, then roots are imaginary. So I hope you guys understand, and you will know by practicing, everything will be easy. So hope I will see you again. Bye bye.